going to show you how to create your classroom video or your classroom expectations video. So the first thing you want to do is have open a PowerPoint presentation or a Google slide presentation that's maybe all about your classroom expectations, something that you would normally tell the class. So I created one right here. And the next thing you want to do is open Screencast-O-Matic. So you should have downloaded that from NEISD applications. And if you did not, it should be right here under NEISD applications. And when you come here, you can open it and search for Screen. So let's go back. I'm going to have this open, and you want to open Screencast-O-Matic. So if you click on Start and All Apps, yours should say All Programs. So mine looks a little different because mine's Windows 10. And if you scroll down, you should find Screencast-O-Matic, and you're going to click on that. So now Screencast-O-Matic is open. It should look like this. You have the option of recording just your screen, a webcam, or both. So this will contain the screen and the webcam. You get a max time of 15 minutes. If this is different here, it might have some different values, maybe 720p. Go ahead and change it to full screen. That ensures that you get everything in when we go to present mode and record. You want to make sure, do a little test talk, and you want to make sure that the green is kind of flickering in there. That indicates that you are recording, and this should be X'd out. So that's about it for preferences. So I'm going to click on my little gear and get rid of it. And now we're going to get ready to record. So the first thing I want to do now is go to present so I can present my video. And I'm going to use my arrow keys on the keyboard to scroll through the slides as I begin to talk. So I'm going to go ahead and click record. It's going to give me a 3, 2, 1. So you'll see the 3, 2, 1. Hi there, I'm Mrs. Hyder, and welcome to Lopez Middle School. I am the teacher of English for 2017-2018 school year. This is what's in store for your school year: responsibilities and expectations, classroom rules. So I just gave you a little bit of what you could record as you navigate through the slides. Again, I am clicking my arrow on my keyboard, and when I'm done, you're going to come over here and click on pause. So now you have some options. You can go ahead and click done. If you listen to it by clicking play and you like what you heard. If you did not, you can hit your delete here and start over. Or if I listen to what I recorded. Hi there, I'm Mrs. Hyder, and welcome to Lopez Middle School. And maybe I flubbed right about here, and I want to start from this point and finish recording. I can click record, and it will continue to record from this point on. So I'm going to go ahead and click done because I am done with that. And I get some options. I can play it back again. And I'm going to come over here and I have these options to save. I want to click upload to YouTube. So I'm going to click right here. And before we click publish, we want to look at a couple of things. This right here says recording number 16. I want to change that to the title of my video, maybe welcome video. I don't have to put in a prescription. You can look at the privacy. If you don't mind it being public, you can choose that, or you can leave it unlisted. Do not choose private. Private will nobody will be able to see it. So choose unlisted, which means somebody has to have a link to see it, or public. And then once you've done, oh, right here where it says cursor, you can have a cursor show. That was the little cursor with the round yellow circle around it, or you can have just the cursor or no cursor. So those are your choices right there. So then I'm going to go ahead and click publish. and it's going to encode and upload. So I'm going to pause while that happens. Okay, so that finally uploaded, and I'm going to click on Open Upload. If at this point it didn't take you directly when you clicked Publish to upload, and it did give you the option to launch your YouTube browser, it wanted to just connect your account. So go ahead and run through those directions, and then it'll take you back here. So once I'm done, I'm going to click Open Upload. And it's going to take me to my YouTube video. Currently, it's still being processed and it's not approved. So I'm going to approve it for NAISD. And I want to come here and I'm going to click on share because I want to grab the address. I want to grab this actually embed code because we're going to use that embed code to take it and put it into your teacher web. So the video is on your teacher web. So I'm going to click embed and I'm going to hit Control C on my keyboard. That's Control C for copy. And then I'm going to pop over here to my my avatar or right here, and I'm going to click on Creator Studio. Now you will see the video that I just uploaded. I have other videos listed as well, but this is the video. It's not quite done processing, and so I'm going to pause and be back. So the video took a while to process, but that's okay. Here we are. You'll see the welcome video. When you click this down arrow, if you click on subtitles, closed caption, it's going to ask you to set the language. I'm going to click here and click English, and I'm going to click set language. So that's really all you have to do for the closed captioning. When it fully processes right here, you will see English automatic. So if I go back to my videos and I click right here on subtitles, this is what yours will look like when it is finally complete. And it should take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how long the video is. So there you have it.